everybody. I am Jason Hennessey, and I'm super proud of a book I had published. It's called Honest SEO. And I wanted to just kind of highlight, what we talk about in this book and why I think you might get value from it. So the first chapter is all about just kind of like the SEO basics, which basically talks about everything from how does Google work? Why do pages rank higher when you do a search than other pages? It talks about like how much, market share does Google have? And the cool thing is that I wrote it the way in which I like to read books. And that's very visual, right? So you can kind of see here, there's a lot of illustrations in the book too. This right here talks a little bit about like white hat strategies versus black hat strategies. Some people might even not know that that's a thing, right? That there's ethical ways of doing things that follows the Google guidelines. And then there's things that kind of go outside the gray, I guess, and maybe even into the black hat world. And how you should be able to kind of at least be aware of that so that if you're hiring people that they are not kind of engaging in some of those black hat strategies that can potentially get your website penalized. Then there's chapters about like how much should SEO cost. We talk a lot about that. And then chapter 2 is actually cool because it kind of goes like literally behind the scenes of the actual algorithm. And it talks about like the SERP, right, which is a search engine result page. It talks about what does it take to rank, all the technical elements. So anyway, if this is something that's of interest to you, maybe pick it up. I'll include the link to Amazon so you can purchase it. Thank you.